Hello guys, my name is Joy Bebo and I'll be your host for today, day 6 of the 30 days data analysis challenge. So for today we'll be talking about sorting and filtering in Excel. As we all know, working with large data sets can sometimes be overwhelming, making it difficult to extract meaningful insights. But what if we can quickly and easily organize the data, prioritize and focus on the most important information? That's where sorting and filtering in Excel comes in. Sorting and filtering in Excel allows you to transform your data, streamlining it to your desired output. You'll be able to refine your data and eliminate unnecessary information. So now, let's go into our workbook. Okay guys, so that's it for today's class. I hope you learned something new. Do well to practice and see you tomorrow. So guys, this is the data we'll be using for this particular topic. The sort and filter button is found under the home tab. This is where you have the sort and filter button. So for filtering, the filter button helps you filter your data to a particular product or a particular date or a particular product or a particular time, depending on what you want to see. So this data here is a sales data of a particular pizza shop. So let's say we want to see the data. This data now contains the pizza sold, the different types of pizza sold. So let's say we want to see the sales of only one type of pizza. So what do? We click on our filter. We'll click on filter, and then we automatically have this drop down button on all the columns. So all you do is go to the column that you want to filter and then click it. So what you do is you unselect the one that ticks select all, you untick it and then tick the particular one you want to see. So let's say we want to see the sales for only beef suya. So when you click it, you click OK, and it automatically streamlines the data to only beef suya. So now you have only the sales for beef suya. So filtering works across all columns. So when you filter a particular column, it cuts across the entire table. So just in case you want to use this the data for only a particular product, maybe you want to use it for a particular analysis somewhere, you can copy this and paste it elsewhere. Then to remove this filter button, you just clear filter, you click on the filter panel and then you clear filter and your data goes back to normal. So while filtering, we can also have a multi-condition filtering. So let's say this particular pizza shop decides to give out free gifts to customers who purchase a particular type of pizza, but then they have to buy a certain quantity. So let's say the pizza shop has decided to give gifts to people who purchase Chicken Legend, but they have to get 4 and above. So in this case, we have two conditions. We are going to filter by product and we are also going to filter by quantity. So starting with product, we click on the filter button and then we select chicken. We untick select all and we select Chicken Legend. So now we have all the people that bought Chicken Legend, but then we are looking for those that purchased 4 and above. So we go to quantity, we filter by quantity, and then we untick the figures that are less than 4. So we untick 1, 2 and 3, and then we are left with just 4 and 5. So by the time we check this, at the bottom left corner we can see that we have 117 of 500 records found. So as a data analyst, you can report back to the owner of this shop and inform them that they have to get 117 gifts only, because there were only 117 people that purchased Chicken Legend for the required quantity. So moving on to sorting, we have this data that contains the name, job title and salary of staffs of a particular company. So let's say we want to sort this data. We want to see the staffs alphabetically, the names of staff alphabetically. So what do? We highlight this data and then we click on sort, and then we have sort A to Z. So when you do that, automatically the names of the staff are arranged alphabetically. You can also sort from Z to A. if that is what the analysis requires. Also, we can also sort figures and values in ascending or descending order. So let's say we want to sort this data, we want to arrange it in a way that the person with the highest salary comes first. All we need to do is highlight this particular salary column, and then we click on sort, and Excel automatically detects that this is a value column. This column contains numbers, so it says sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest, and then we click what? Sort largest to smallest, because we want to see the people with the highest salary to come first and the lowest below. So we have sort largest to smallest, and Excel is going to ask you, do you want to expand the selection? Of course we have to do that so that this sorting cuts across all the table. So we click sort, and we have the person with the highest salary on top, and if we scroll down we'll see that the person with the lowest salary is the last on the list. So that is that for sorting alphabetically and also by ranking. That's just it about for filtering and sorting. So you can play around this. You can use sort and filter for so many things in data analysis. Different sectors, it doesn't matter the sector you're working with, you can use this for products, you can use this for sales, you can use this for any data at all, so long as you are trying to streamline your data to a particular thing, or you are trying to answer a particular question.